I read the book Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, and in that book he talks about the left side and the right side of the quadrant. The left side is where you have employees and self-employed people, and the right side is where you have business owners and investors, right? He calls the S for self-employed, the E for employee, the B for business owner, and the I for investors. And he talks about how if you're on the E side as an employee, you are in the worst tax bracket because the government just really counts on taking all of your money. And on the B side, that's where you're going to get the most tax benefits, and that's where you find people not paying very much taxes. Like, we hear about multi-millionaires and billionaires paying $0 in taxes. It's because they're on the B side. But here's what's interesting. With technology today, any of us can get onto the B side. I have a C corporation. I set up a C corporation for myself, and in my corporation, I get so much tax benefits that my taxes are very, very low. Even though I live a very good life and make a lot of money, my taxes are very, very low. Most of my life is a tax deduction, and you guys can do that too. I don't know if you guys have taken a look at setting up entities to run your life through. Take the time to study that and set that stuff up properly. It's worth the effort to learn what you need to learn. Because for most of you guys, you're paying about half of what you earn in some sort of property tax or real estate tax or income tax or something. I mean, think about that for just a minute. You make $100,000 a year, and almost $50,000 of it is going back to a government agency or the government for taxes. I mean, that's kind of ridiculous, right? Remember, this country was founded on a tax revolt, right? Remember the Boston Tea Party? It was about taxation without representation. And there's been so many revolts throughout history of people just like, no, enough is enough. But I'm telling you, you don't need to revolt. There are enough tax loopholes within our system for you to take advantage of it. You can pay a tax, but you don't have to pay as much, right? I call it tipping the government. You pay what you must pay, but you don't need to tip the government on top of that, right? Leave that to the people who won't take the time to study to show themselves worthy of getting the big tax breaks. Personally, I think that's foolish on their part, but this is a free country. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys and just suggest that you take a look at where you are tax-wise and what you can do to improve your position from a tax perspective. And if you want some help with that, you can always reach out to me, right? You can just go to therealdesiarnez.com, schedule an appointment with me. And I'm not a financial planner, but I'd be happy to show you what I'm doing. And if you want to copy what I'm doing, reach out to your financial planners or your financial advisors and say, hey, this is what Desi is doing. I want to do something similar. And they can help you get yourself set up. All right? I mean, that's what I'd be happy to do for you guys. So anyway, reach out to me. Don't be shy. I love talking about this stuff. This is what I do. And this is my way of giving back. I've lived a really, really good life. I don't have to work anymore. I don't have to do any of this anymore. But I do it now because I want to give back. And so take advantage of it. Reach out to me, guys. And for those of you that want to do some deals together, I do partner with people on real estate deals and mortgage note deals and other things. So if you want to hear about that, again, you can reach out to me. Just head on over to therealdesiarnez.com, schedule a time, and we can speak. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. As you can see here, it's beautiful here in Southern California right now. I got the Coronado Bridge there behind me. By the way, that bridge is actually longer than the Golden Gate Bridge. That bridge is 2.1 miles long. Golden Gate Bridge is I think it's like 1.8 miles long. So this bridge is pretty darn amazing. This is San Diego Bay where I'm standing right now. It's a huge bay and it's beautiful. And it's another beautiful day here in Southern California. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this day, spend some time here, down here by the bay, have lunch with my wife, and start our weekend. God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless America.